First and foremost, I don't know the full details of the incident surrounding entertainer Javian Chambers. Javian Chambers, I'm not sure the pronunciation I'm first name. But I know that he would have been shot and injured. I think he was shot 3 times. Not because Sikka is an artist or Sikka is a line to Kartel. The whole shooting and foolishness we are going in our country, brother. It's a 9. Because today Sikka, then tomorrow who else will it be? I don't know what would have led to the situation. I don't know what could have triggered the incident. But in Jamaica, you never know, yes. Entertainer and cousin of dancehall artist Vybz Kartel, Javian Chambers, more popularly known as Sikka Rymes, was taken to hospital following a shooting incident in St. Andrew early this morning. Police reports are at about 3:45 a.m. Chambers was driving his car when he was shot by unknown assailants in the vicinity of the Sprint Center in Ligani. Chambers reportedly went to a stage show in the Sandy Park area of St. Andrew and was later shot near Sovereign Mall in Ligani. So the shooting was confirmed by the police's information arm, the CCU, the Corporate Communications Unit, and in a statement they said, "We can confirm that a DJ was shot. He is 26 years old from Watford, and it happened at about 3:30 this morning. He was taken to hospital. We do not know what condition he is in," a representative from the CCU said. However, a source would have told this newspaper, which is Loop, that the DJ was still in surgery late into Sunday afternoon. He was shot in the hand, on one of his foot, and another in his solar plexus, which is an area in the lower stomach. He is in surgery now. We are hoping he pulls through, the source said. So apparently he was shot 3 times. In his hand, in his foot, and in the lower part of his stomach. He would have undergone surgery. I do not know what is his condition after the surgery. I know when he was rushed to hospital, he was admitted in critical condition. It things that are weird, brother. This will get a lot of publicity because of who the man is. But the reality is that many youths are being killed across this country. And we just need the foolishness to stop. So hopefully investigations can shed some light on what might have caused the shooting incident. Did him and Smaddy at the event have a look of fracas, altercation? I don't know. Him and Smaddy else have a thing ongoing. I don't know. Hopefully the surgery would have been successful. Hopefully the entertainer will be able to pull through and make a speedy recovery. And hopefully whomever is responsible, investigation will lead the police to said people. And as such, they will be apprehended, charged, tried, and they found guilty, convicted. And that is the hope, not for just Sikka Rymes, but for all people in the country who are killed.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.